Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the third chapter of class 5, that is the story of Akash, and it was written by Lalita Sridhar, and this is the third lecture of this chapter, that is the story of Akash. So now I will like to give a brief introduction about this story. Now, this story is related to a boy whose name is Ramu. Whose name is Ramu. His full name was Rambhadra Narayan Murthy, and everyone called him like his friend, like his family members. So everyone called him Ramu. And who is the narrator of that story? That is the Akash. Akash means the sky. Who is narrating that story? The sky is narrating that story, and Ramu is the main character of that story. Now, Ramu was very helpful boy, he was very playful boy, and he was very obedient boy. Okay, because why he was very obedient? Because he helped his family members to build a hut. That is made up of thatched roof, means some dried stones. The roof that is made up of the dried stones. Okay, so dried stones. Now everyone called him Ramu because Rambhadra Narayan Murthy, this was the very big name of a very little boy. So everyone called him, even Akash, the sky, also called him Ramu. And he wore a cotton dhoti and a simple jacket. He lived in a small village, and he loved to climb on trees and loved to play on open area in the fields. And he enjoyed the hot food that was prepared by his mother, like gruel. Gruel means what? A hot food that is made up of oats. And so one day, what happened one day? One day his father sent Ramu for an errand. Errand means what? For a small job. Okay, so what job? That his father said to Ramu that go in village and bring some medicine for his granny. Grail means his weak granny. So what happened? His father said that his father said that go there in the village and come back as soon as possible. Why? Because what will happen? There is a solar eclipse that day. Okay, so what happened? There is a solar eclipse. Solar eclipse means that is the Surya Grahan. So Ramu goes to the village and he asks Vaidya to prepare the medicine, and the way take some time. Okay, he goes to the jungle and he brings some herbs and nuts. Okay, and then he reached at its place, and it take too much time, that is 1.5 hours. Then he spent another 15 minutes for pounding and grinding all these herbs, all the variety of herbs and nuts, and prepare a special medicine for Ramu's granny. Then what happened? Ramu gave a bag full of grains. Okay, because in the villages at that time, the payment mode in villages, that is the bag full of grains. The villagers, they didn't use money at that time. Okay, so Ramu gave what gave? A payment. That is what payment? A bag full of grains. Okay. Now the little child, that is the Ramu, that was very worried. Why he worried? Because his father said that to come back home as soon as possible, because there is an solar eclipse that day. So he was very tense. Then what happened? Then we continue this chapter. No matter how fast he ran, he could not keep with time. Now Ramu was already late, because the way had take too much time, that is 1.5 hour for finding the herbs and some nuts in the jungle, and he reached at 1.5 hour, and he spent also 15 minutes for pounding. Pounding means beating noisily. Okay, so when he preparing the medicine, so he take how much time? That is the 15 minutes more. So this was too late. So Ramu was already late, because Vaidya take too much time for making the medicines. Now he couldn't keep up with time, which was now close to noon, and it was the time of noon. Okay, so क्या time हो गया था? That is the noon time. It was the time of noon, and suddenly he realized that he was being followed. Means when he was on the way at home, so he found somebody chasing him. Okay, somebody chasing. Who's chasing? Somebody chasing Ramu. Then this particular stretch of mud was lonely, and he knew there were robbers roaming in search of passers-by. Okay, so this particular stretch of mud means, what is this meaning? The way that he reached at home, this path was full of mud. Okay, and who was chasing Ramu? That is the robbers. Okay, so robbers means that stop people for their belongings. And what is the meaning of passers-by? Passers-by. Passers-by means who cross the road. Now, what happened? Suddenly Ramu realized that someone chasing him. Who's Ramu? Someone chasing Ramu. Okay, because this path was fully made up of, it was full of mud, and he knew that there were robbers roaming in search of passers-by. Robbers means लुटेरे टाइप. Okay, to stop people for their belongings. उनकी चीज़ों वो people को रोकते हैं, उनकी belonging, उनके पास जो भी कुछ रहता है वो सब लेने के लिए. So that was called the robbers. And passers-by means who crossed the road. So who crossed the road at that time? Ramu crossed the road. So he was chasing someone. Now, would they take away the silver anklet I am wearing? He thought. So Ramu thought that. What thought that? Would they take away the silver anklet? Silver anklet means, see the children, that is the picture. That here is the boy, that is Ramu, and he wore a silver anklet. That is his leg, and he wore a silver anklet. जो ये that is the silver anklet. So what they thought that he thought that would they take away the silver anklet, means would they take, means would the robbers take away this silver anklet that I have wearing now. Ramu thought that. Menacing footstep echoed. Menacing means what? Menacing. Now, menacing. Menacing means seeming likely to cause harm. Seeming likely to cause harm. So, seeming likely to cause harm. Okay, something which could be seen that seems likely to cause harm. So, menacing footsteps echoed from the band behind him. Echoed means the sound that was reflected off the wall or open space. Echoed means the sound that was reflected of the wall or open space. Now, echoed from the bank behind him, and poor Ramu was petrified. Petrified means worried. Petrified means worried. Now, what happened? Now, Ramu thought that would they take away the silver anklet? Would they take away? Means would the robbers take away the silver anklet that he had wear? Who had wear? That the Ramu. See, the Ramu had wear a silver anklet. Okay, and then menacing. Menacing means what? Seeming likely to cause harm. Okay, because the robbers were chasing him, that seemed that Ramu seems that it causes harm. Then footsteps echoed from the band behind him. Footstep means the sound of the footstep of the robbers. Okay, which sound? The echoed means the sound that was reflected of the wall or the open space. So, which type of sound? The sound of the footsteps. Okay, coming with the back side. And poor Ramu was petrified. Means poor Ramu was very worried. Why he was very worried? Because the robbers chased him, and the sound of the robbers' footstep, was coming backside. That Ramu was very worried at that time. He was very tense at that time, because his father also said that you come back as soon as possible, and it was the time of noon, because the vet prepared the medicine. Okay, so he was very late, and Ramu was very tense because the robbers chased him, and the sound of the footstep of the robbers that come in the back side. Now, what happened? He hurriedly crouched behind a thick bush and hoped his heart was not beating too loud. Crouch means put one's body close to the ground. Okay, crouch means put one's body close to the ground by bending legs. Why he was why he hurriedly crouched means he put his body, he put one's body to the close of the ground. Okay, why? Because the footsteps of the robbers, क्योंकि उसको किसकी जो साउंड आ रहा था, the footsteps of the dead coming from the back side. So he was very worried. Who was very worried? Ramu was very worried at that time, and he hurriedly crouched behind a thick bush and hoped his heart was beating too hard. Means he puts one's body too close to the ground by bending legs, and he sat behind a thick bush. He means Ramu sat behind a thick bushes. Okay, because he was very worried that the robbers chased him, so he covered his body and he sat where he sat behind a thick bush. Now then he looked up at me. Then Ramu, he looked up at me. So here me refers to Akash. Me refers to the Akash. Akash means actually the Akash is the narrator of the story. Okay, he is narrating the story. So Akash means the sky. So who looked up at me? Ramu looked up at the sky and prayed hard for miracle. Miracle means magic. So Ramu, miracle means magic. So Ramu prayed to the sky for a miracle. Miracle means for a magic, because the robbers chased him and he was very afraid, he was very tense, he was very worried. Who was that? Ramu was very worried and he covered his body and he sat behind a thick bush. Okay, and he was praying. He looked up at the sky and he was praying for miracle. He was praying for a magic. Then, well, though he had not realized it, the eclipse was almost total by then, and the whole world was growing dark at noon. Now, what happened next? There is darkness all around. What happened? There is darkness. फिर चारों तरफ क्या हो जाता है? अंधेरा हो जाता है. Why? How it happens? Because actually this is the time of eclipse. Okay, this is the time of solar eclipse, and Ramu had the miracle he wanted. Ramu had miracle means he wanted a miracle, and what the miracle is? The eclipse is happening now. So this was the miracle that Ramu wanted. Now actually Ramu prayed the sky that eclipse happened. Okay, why he prayed to the sky? Because why he prayed? Because that the eclipse happened, and when I can move safely my place. Okay, now because the robbers have chased him, because the robbers chased the passers-by. Passers-by means who crossed the road. Who crossed the road at that time? Ramu crossed the road. Okay, so Ramu wanted a miracle, a magic. He look up at the sky and pray for a miracle. Okay, so he look up at the sky and pray for a magic. And what magic it happens? What happened next? What happened next? There is darkness all around, and it was the time of eclipse. So Ramu had the miracle and he wanted. Ramu means Ramu had the miracle. उसको क्या चाहिए था? एक मैजिक चाहिए था जो कि उसको क्या है, मिल जाता है. That he wanted. Now what was the miracle of Ramu's wanted? What was the miracle? That is the eclipse. It's the time of the solar eclipse that Ramu wanted. For why? Because robbers chased him. Okay, because the sound of the footstep of the robbers that chased him. So he covered his body and hide himself and he sat on behind the bush. Okay, so that's why what happened at the next time? There is darkness all around, and at that time the eclipse had happened, and that was the miracle that Ramu wanted. I watched with pride the replay of the beautiful drama that had happened time before. Means the sky is explaining. Okay, sky means the akash, asman. Okay, the sky explaining that the eclipse has been witnessed now. Okay, I watched with pride the replay of the beautiful drama that had happened many times before. That this is the line that the sky is explaining that the eclipse, the sky has been witnessing all these drama. Okay, because Ramu, what he wanted, Ramu pray. Ramu, he looked up at the sky and prayed. What prayed? He prayed for a miracle, a magic. And what happened at the next time? There is darkness all around. So that is the time of eclipse that Ramu wanted. For why he wanted? Because he wanted to go to their home safely, and some robbers chased Ramu. Okay, that's why he wanted a miracle, that is an eclipse. So what happened at the next time? An eclipse happened and Ramu got the miracle that he wanted. And then sky is explaining that the sky has been witnessing all this drama. Okay, उस आसमान ये सब देख रहा था. That is the time before. The moon which rotates the earth, and earth that rotates round the sun fall in line with the sun. Means moon that rotates the earth and earth rotates the sun. Moon, because moon is the natural satellite of earth. So what happened? Means the moon, that is our earth, the moon that rotates the earth. This is the moon that rotates the earth, and this is the planet earth, that this is the sun. The earth that rotates this is the sun, and who revolves around it? The planet, that is the earth. Earth rotates the sun. So moon rotates the earth and the earth rotates the sun. Fall in line with the sun. The shadow of the moon covered the sun and the earth turned dark because the sun rays were cut off. Means what happened at the next? The moon. What happened? The moon is between the earth and the sun. This is the earth and this is the sun, and moon is between the earth and the sun. So the shadow of the moon covered the sun. Okay, the shadow of the moon that covered the sun and the earth turned dark. इससे क्या हो जाता है? सूर्य ग्रहण. That is the time of solar eclipse when moon Yes, moon is between the earth and the sun, and the shadow of the earth turned dark. The moon covered the sun and the earth turned dark because the sun rays were cut off. That the time of eclipse that Ramu wanted. Okay children, I hope you understand about this story very well. So we will meet in our next video. Bye bye.